Okay students, in previous class we discussed the structure of graphite and differences between graphite and diamond. Now in this class we are going to discuss fullerenes. It is the another form of allotropic. It is the another crystalline allotropic form of carbon. Now we are going to discuss fullerenes. Fullerenes, fullerenes. Okay, it is the purest form of graphite. Fullerenes is the purest form of graphite. Purest form of graphite. Okay, it is prepared by heating of graphite an electric arc, heating of graphite in an electric arc, in presence of inert gases like helium and argon. Okay, it is prepared by heating of graphite in an electric arc in presence of inert gases like helium and argon. Okay, fullerenes are cage-like molecules. Fullerenes are cage-like molecules. Okay, which having C60 molecules. Okay, in C60 molecules hexagonal and pentagonal rings are present. Okay, hexagonal means a 6 numbered ring. 6 numbered ring. See in C60 molecules, hexagonal and pentagonal. Pentagonal means a 5 numbered ring. In C60 molecules, hexagonal rings and pentagonal rings exist. Hexagonal rings and pentagonal rings exist. Okay, a 6 numbered ring is fused with 5 numbered ring. 5 is fused with 5 numbered ring. 5 numbered ring and 6 numbered ring. 6 numbered ring. Okay, a 6 numbered ring is fused with a 5 numbered ring and a 6 numbered ring. Okay, in C60 molecules, see 20 hexagonal and 12 pentagonal. 12 pentagonal rings and 20 hexagonal rings are exist. A 6 numbered ring is fused with a 5 numbered ring and 6 numbered ring, but a 5 numbered ring is fused with only 6 numbered ring. 6 numbered ring. Okay. So here a 6 numbered ring is fused with only 5 numbered ring and a 6 numbered ring, but 5 numbered ring is fused with only 6 numbered ring only. Okay. So here in fullerenes, carbon forms in fullerenes, carbon form 3 sigma bonds with other carbon atoms. In fullerenes, carbon is the central atom which forms 3 sigma bonds with other carbon atoms. Okay, undergoes sp2 hybridization. Okay, the fourth electron delocalized in molecules. The fourth electron form pi bond in delocalized, forms pi bond in delocalized molecules. The fourth electron forms pi bond in delocalized molecules. Okay, so it increases conductivity. Okay, the free electron increases conductivity. The free electron increases conductivity. Okay, see here structure of fullerenes we are going to discuss. Structure of fullerenes. Okay, see here structure is it is like soccer ball. It is like a soccer ball. Okay, so here it is a 5 numbered ring. Carbon, 5 numbered ring. It is fused with only 6 numbered ring. Okay, it is a 6 numbered ring. Okay, it is a 6 numbered ring. Okay, so it is a 5 numbered ring. 1, 2, 3. It is a 5 numbered ring. Okay, next it is a it is a 6 numbered ring. Okay, it is a like this. Okay, it is a five numbered ring. Okay, five numbered ring is fused with only 6 numbered ring, but 6 numbered ring is fused with a 6 numbered ring and a 5 numbered ring. Okay, then it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is a 5. Okay, like this. So here it is a so like this. Okay, then it is 6 numbered ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is a 6 numbered ring. Then it is a 5 numbered ring. Okay, then it is a 6 numbered ring. Then it is a 6 numbered ring. Okay, so what I mean to say, it is a 5 numbered ring, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It is a 5. It is a 5, 5. It is a 5, 5, 5, 5. It is a 6. It is a 6. Okay, it is a 5. It is a 6. Like this. A 5 numbered ring is fused with only 6 numbered ring. A 6 numbered ring is fused with a 5 numbered ring and a 6 numbered ring. So this is the structure of a soccer. It is the structure of fully rings. It is like a soccer ball. Okay. These are also called Buki balls. Buki balls. Okay. Each carbon having, so each molecule having 60 vertices. 60 vertices. In these molecules having 60 vertices. In these molecules having 60 vertices. Each vertices having one carbon atom. In each vertices one carbon atom. In each vertices one carbon atom. Okay. So this is the structure of fully rings. It is the structure of fully rings. Okay. So what I mean to say, you have to know, it is the purest form of graphite. It is prepared by heating graphite in electric arc in the presence of inert gases like helium and carbon. Okay, so here all these are carbon atoms. Here all these are one, two, three, four, five. It is a 5-numbered ring. It is a 5-numbered ring. All these are carbon atoms. Okay, 5-numbered ring, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 is 5, 5, 6, like this. See here, it is the purest form of graphite. It is the purest form of graphite. How it is prepared means it is a preparation. It is prepared by heating graphite and electric arc in the presence of inert gases. Graphite is taken in electric arc on heating with electricity in presence of inert gases like argon and helium. Then fullerenes are case like molecules. Case means which keeps parrot. So which having C60 molecules. C60 molecules having 60 hexagonal, 20 hexagonal rings and 12 pentagonal rings. Pentagonal means 5-numbered rings. Okay, a 6-numbered ring is fused with a 5-numbered ring and 6-numbered ring, but a 5-numbered ring is fused with only 6-numbered ring. So in fullerenes, carbon atom forms 3 sigma bonds with other carbon atoms, undergoes sp2 hybridization. The 4th electron forms pi bond in delocalized molecules. Okay, the free electron increases conductivity. So it is a soccer ball. It is a soccer ball like a structure. It is like a soccer ball. Okay. It is like soccer ball. These are also called Buki balls. In these molecules having 60 vertices. In each vertices one carbon atom. All these are vertices. Okay. In each vertices one carbon atom is present. Okay. So this is briefly about fullerenes. It is the third crystalline allotrope of carbon. Carbon having 3 crystalline allotropes: diamond, graphite and fullerenes. It is recently discovered. For the discovery of this, man get a Nobel Prize. The man got Nobel Prize. Okay. So this is briefly fullerenes. So here 5-numbered ring, 6-numbered ring, 6-numbered ring, 6-numbered ring, 6-numbered ring, 6-numbered ring. Means 5-numbered ring is fused with only 6-numbered ring. 6-numbered ring is fused with 5-numbered ring and a 6-numbered ring. 6-numbered ring and 5-numbered ring. It is fused with a 6-numbered ring and a 5-numbered ring. Okay. So like this. It is a 6-numbered ring. It is a 6-numbered ring. Okay. So this is like a soccer ball which having case like a structure. Okay. This is briefly about fullerenes. So this is briefly about fullerenes.